Hey people, well, you can see where we're at right now with this mountain. Looks like a pile of cow dung with stones, but that's okay. I don't know if I told you the color of the brown. That is called chocolate bar. Alright, let me try that again. Chocolate bar. So what we're going to do is kind of tone down the chocolate bar. Once again, we're dry brushing with that guy again. So what we're going to do is just kind of go over everything. Real light. Just hitting the highs, toning that brown down some. Get it over here, get it over there. This is English ivy. So we're going to do the English ivy all over the hillside. Just real light. Gonna tone that brown down. Oh yeah, look at that. Yesterday's mistake. Look at that. Gone. Don't worry if you get any on the rocks. Grass does grow on rocks. Alrighty. Kind of thick, but still using that dry brush method. Alright, starting to tone down pretty good. Hey Joe.
Yeah.
What was your earliest memory of you as a child on the train board?
Well, when I was a kid, our train board had a hole cut in it. He used to sit there and watch all the trains go around.
It had a hole cut in it. Where did it have a hole cut in it?
In the back, on the opposite side of the board, away from the mountain. And I used to throw all the trains off the track. And then Dad would have to come over and fix them.
Yeah, I cut a hole right in the middle of our train board. And the track was all around. And Joe would sit in the hole. He must have been about, what, 3 or 4?
Mm-hmm.
You know, get your kids involved in this stuff. This is better than any video game. Kids have a lot of fun with it. We had that train board, what, up to we moved out of there, what, you were 7?
Yeah, right around 7.
So you sat in that hole for 4 years.
Yeah.
You had it down pretty good. Had your own steps going up to it. Alright, that mountain's toning down. Like I said, we're just gonna do everything. Like I said, I'm going kind of heavy. I want to tone this thing way down. Not getting rid of it completely, but just toning it down. Back and forth up here. Just swish it around. Like I said, don't worry if you hit your rocks. That's okay. Don't intentionally sabotage them, but hey. How's that looking for you, Joe?
Like a muddy field with grass growing in it.
Huh. So we still got the mud look, huh?
Yeah.
I think I need to tone it down even more.
Nah, once the green stuff goes on it and all the scenery, it'll look good.
Yeah, the scenery will hide a lot. Alright. Well, the English ivy. All over it. Tone that down, didn't it? What do you think, Joe? Yeah?
Definitely not mud anymore.
Now, which is good. Haven't seen too many mud mountains out there. But, alright, now we're going to go to the marsh green. And we're going to just hit it here and there. This way it isn't
Mud.
mud with green on it. Kind of soften it up. I think that marsh green's looking pretty good, Joe.
Mm-hmm.
Ah! Till you drop your brush. And if it goes on heavy in spots, don't worry about it. Brush it out. Like I said, we're just softening it up. Alright. Now, you want to get these, I guess I'll have to turn it so you guys can see it. You can see I kind of highlighted this one a little bit. This time, take a little ivy with a little marsh. Spread it out so it's not heavy. Just dust the top. Grass ain't gonna grow too much on stone. I mean, you can hit here and there. Hey, your guess is as good as mine how this is gonna come out. We're both freestyling here. Alright, you can see how the marsh green has lightened things up. You know, as you're painting, more things are going to come out at you. Like this part right here, I'm going to turn that into Stone Ridge. That'll be on the next video. But like I said, just keep dabbing at it. A little bit here, a little bit there. Look at that, right like that. No set plan. But as you go, see what you like, see what you don't like. Alright, till then, the next one, keep dabbing.